Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm reviewing this. This is the Odenson Beard Forger, and they just reached out and said if you want to have a look at it, enjoy it, here it is. They didn't ask me to do a review or anything, and that tends to be when they're a very good product, so I'm quite looking forward to it, and that's why I haven't done anything with my beard today. I haven't even put a brush through it. Looks okay. So yeah, we're just going to have a little quick review of this then, but first off, let's open it up. It looks pretty damn gorgeous, to be honest. I've literally just taken this off, and then I started to lift it out. I was like, nah, this needs to be a video. It looks beautiful. If it works, it'll be amazing. But like, first of all, the weight of this thing is beautiful. It's really, really nice. You know, it feels really good in your hand, etc. And then like, look at the box. We got this doohickey, which is a bag for it. Look at that. We've got, oh, it's Type-C charging as well, even more beautiful. Type-C charging, and then the instructions, which are actually well written. In fact, I could probably let you guys take a screenshot of that and you'd be able to use it yourself. Like, yeah, read it yourself, I mean. Okay, I'm going to have a quick look at these and I'll be back. Okay, so it is all pretty straightforward. Really is beautiful looking. Okay, 150, 120, 150, 180, 200. And then it's got a battery indicator as well. This is pretty cool because recently I went away and I couldn't take any stuff with me, and my beard does look like I'm homeless sometimes. This would have been ideal. So although this is in degrees C, it does have all of the conversions to Fahrenheit here. But it's like, you know, what a great logo that is. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to whop it on charge, and I will be back once it's fully charged, because I always give things a chance, if they're cordless, to fully charge them first. I wonder if this can go on it after it's been hot, because those holes would indicate to me that that allows heat out and that can go on top. I will look into it. I'm going to take this off so that when I put it on charge we can have a look at the actual charging indicators. It's actually quite a nice length bit of wire. Normally they're like, you know, a few millimeters and you can't get, you know, anywhere near the charger. Love that it's Type-C. So there it is charging, and it's basically half charged, but as always I would like to give it a full fair test. It has 92 heating plates. There's a no burn guarantee. It's designed to handle all types of beards. It has a powerful battery that lasts for more than 10 styling sessions, and it's charged with Type-C USB. Okay, so while that's heating up, I've got some beard oil. They do supply a really good beard oil, but I don't have any left. I used it all while playing with it. So I'm just going to put some in my beard. Okay, I will be looking down here at a bigger monitor. I've literally hung string around the camera because I haven't got a stand for it at the moment. I'm just waiting on this to heat up, and then we're going to sort this beard out. I've put the beard oil in already, and as soon as this is heated up we can do it, but please bear in mind it's inverted on the camera below, so I might end up trying to do my hair with it or something. But I have used this probably 5 times now, 6 times maybe. Over various different times, just to see if it definitely works, etc., because you never know with just one time, do you? But let's give it a go. As you'll see, this side is already, look at the difference. It's absolutely incredible. Now we go to this side. Now normally I would have comb my beard to get all the hairs, all the knots out, but I couldn't be bothered. You know, real men don't do that, apparently. I asked one once. But this thing is, you know, you can touch it on your face, you won't burn yourself, which I love. It's not, it gets hot, but only within the copper plates, so it doesn't touch your skin at all. So there we go, like. Now I think I would have used a little bit more oil, which is what I'd normally have done, but I put oil on and then realised I hadn't charged the thing, so it's been about 25 minutes to half an hour that I just gave it a quick charge. So there's not as much oil as I would normally put in there, but I think that's pretty good. What do you think? I personally love this thing, and I think it's the fact that it's safe enough to, you know, just touch your face with while you're doing it. You know, I've not burned myself at all. I've not come close to even thinking, oh, that's scary hot, you know. But I can genuinely tell you that I really like that thing. There is nothing like, I can wet my hair, I can heat it with really, really, really hot water, I can soap it, I can then put oil in it, and then I can comb it, and I do not get this straightness at all. So this is the only way I can get this sort of the straightness of it. Now it does need a cut, it needs to be a little bit more, you know, presentable, but I wanted to leave it as bushy and unkempt as possible to be able to show you what this can do. If I'd had this trimmed a little bit beforehand, it would look even better, but you know, you can see the results, and I really do like it. And as I say, they gave it to me with no expectations. They didn't say to do a review, they didn't say anything, they just said, you know, do whatever, you know. I really, really like it. It's such a good piece of kit. I use this, as I say, I've used it about 5 times since I've got it, but whenever I'm going out or if I'm about to do a video, I use it, and it takes less time than if I was to brush it and all the other guff that you have to do, and it always makes a really, really nice sort of shape, you know, and you can literally shape it, which I think is really, really good. I think that's why they call it the Beard Forger, because you can just forge whatever lines you want in it, and it just works. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my patrons. I really appreciate everything you've done for the channel. See you again soon. Bye for now.